We'll be doing a hammer and tire conditioning workout. This workout will focus on improving your muscular strength and power, as well as cardiovascular and muscle endurance. The workout will consist of 10 offhand sledgehammer strikes to a tire, 5 tire flips, then 5 lateral shuffles in both directions, 5 more tire flips back to the beginning position, then lastly 10 strong hand sledgehammer strikes to the tire. The only equipment needed is a sledgehammer and a tire. We're going to go over a few pointers for the techniques for each of these 3 exercises. The sledgehammer strike to the tire flip, and the lateral shuffles. First, we're going to start with the sledgehammer strikes. You want to be standing far enough away where when you strike, both hands are at the end of the sledgehammer, knees are slightly bent, arms are out, extended, and the sledgehammer is right in the middle of the tire wall. When you swing, start with your hand up by the head, other hand down. You're going to have a full body, basically a crunch. That's what you're going to be doing. You can come up, fully extend your body, slide the hand down as it comes down, and crunch your body down to full power. Tire flip. When you do a tire flip, I want your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. Then squat down, keep your upper back tight, so draw in your scapula or retract your scapula. You're going to grab approximately shoulder width apart underneath the tire, and you're going to stand up using your legs, keeping your back tight. You come up to about halfway, you're going to lean into it, twist your hands, and shove, and step forward. Then get back to the ready position again. Last, the lateral shuffles. You're going to get in the universal athletic position, which is feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, hands in front of you, back neutral position, approximately parallel to your tibia. You're going to step, 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 step. Not touching the other foot, but just coming in about half the width of your body, of your stance. When you come to the stopping point, stop, come back around. Always keep in that position. First, we're going to be doing the offhanded sledgehammer strikes to the tire. Make sure you get you a good position so you can reach all the way out and hit it. Set your sledgehammer down under the tire, 5 tire flips. Come around here, now to your lateral shuffles. Alternate. Now for your 5 tire flips back. Grab your sledgehammer, get your distance, strong hand. That concludes the workout. You're going to be doing, that's one full set. You can do as many sets as you need to for your entire workout.